We have all experienced the direct setting of price adjustment. Your absolute income remains completely unchanged. Yet, your favorite consumer bundle suddenly feels out of reach. In our last installment, we visualized how changes in nominal income clearly slide your entire budget line inward or outward. But what happens when the absolute market price themselves shifts? Today, we are mapping how price changes distort, pivot, and warp your consumption possibilities. Plus, we will expose a major microeconomic optical illusion. What happens if your cash flows and all market prices double simultaneously? Let's decode the math. The mathematical foundation single price pivot, that's change in price 1 and change in price 2. Insulting price vectors alters the budget constraint slope which is equal to the negative of price 1 of good 1 divided by price 2 of good 2. When only one price fluctuates, the opposing intercept remains structurally anchored, acting as a geometric pivot point. Good 1 price spikes means that change in price which is greater than 0. The budget lines pivot inward along the horizontal axis, increasing the absolute slope magnitude means that steeper line. Good 1 price drops, changing price 1 decreased 0. The budget line pivots outward along the horizontal axis, flattering the absolute slope. Let us now see by using numerical example, numerical problem sets and geometrical intercept analysis. Using the explicit baseline variables, baseline income, M which is equal to 200, P1 which is price 1 of good 1 which is equal to 2, and P2 price of 2 of good 2 which is equal to 4. The baseline equation for this mathematical problem is 2 times x1, x1 means good 1, plus 4 times x2, x2 means good 2, which is equal to 100. 100 means the budget or the dispensable income or nominal income. The horizontal intercept is 100 and the vertical intercept is 50. Now, let us see each scenario or each cases individually. For case A, good 1, price scales to P1 or price 1 of good 1 or P1 prime which is equal to 5. Vertical intercept stays locked at 200 divided by 4 which is equal to 50. But the horizontal intercept compresses to 200 divided by 5 which is equal to 40. This is the absolute slope escalates from 0.5 to 1.25, which is steeper. The slope is steeper. In the case of B, good 1, price drops to price 1 of good 1 prime, which is equal to 1. The vertical intercept stays at 50. it's already locked, but the horizontal intercept expands to 200 divided by 1, which is equal to 200. The absolute slope flatten to 0.25. That is differ from M prime or case A, that when the good A or good 1 price scales to from 4 to 5, or P1 means 2, it's increased from 2 to 5 birr or any dollars. In case of C or scenario C, good 2 price scales, what happens? When the good 2 price 2 scales to price 2 prime, which is equal to 5, before the baseline income, that's M, which is equal to 200, and price of 2, which is equal to 4, but it scales to price of 2 prime, which is equal to 5. The horizontal intercept stays sloped, means that it's 200 divided by 2, which is equal to 100, but the vertical intercept compresses to 200 divided by 5. 5 is the good 2 price scales to P2 prime, which is equal to 40. The absolute slope shifts to 0.4. And in the case of good D, good 2 price drops to price 2 prime, which is equal to 2, before the baseline income for price 2 is 4, and it's dropped to P2 prime 2. The horizontal intercept remains at 100, which is locked, and the vertical intercept expands to 200 divided by 2, which is equal to 100. The absolute slope increases to 1. And that is graphically, it's represent like this. When the baseline survey is its good 1 of x1 is 100, and when it's P1 prime, when it's 5, it shifts to the inward. It's like steeper slope, and when the price is increased, that's good 1 of x1, the vertical intercept is locked and remain, and the horizontal expands from 100, the baseline, to 200 in here, and the budget due to price change is outward shift or rightward shift. The other is when the horizontal intercept is locked in here, that is price 1 is locked, but when there is a change in the vertical axis, price 2, here is the price prime, that's inward shift. When the price is five, P2 prime is 5, that's inward pivot. And when the price is decreased in here, just the budget line shifted to the outward or rightward, but the horizontal intercept is locked. This is a graphical representation of the that is the budget line shift due to price changes, either vertically or horizontally. Simultaneous structure variations and scale factors. If the baseline price of both goods are modified by a uniform constant scale T, which is equal to 2, doubling price to P1 4 and P2 8, the algebraic behavior alters dramatically, which is 4 times x1 plus 8 times x2, which is equal to 100. Both the intercepts contract by precisely half. Maximum x1, which is equal to 100 divided by 4, which is equal to 50, and maximum of x2, which is equal to 100 divided by 8, which is equal to 25. Because the price ratio slope is preserved, means that the slope is negative 4 divided by 8, which is equal to negative 0.5. This creates a perfect parallel inward shift. Multiplying all prices by a value t is functionally isomorphic to leaving price static and dividing nominal income by t. The big final or absence of many illusion is what occurs if we scale price and income by the exact same scalar factors t, which is equal to 2, simultaneously. New parameter equation, which is 4x1 plus 8x2, x2, which is multiplied, which is equal to 40. Evaluating new limits, horizontal intercepts, which is equal to 400 divided by 4, which is equal to 100, and vertical the intercept, which is equal to 400 divided by 8, which is equal to 50. The consumption space is completely unchanged. Real purchasing power remains perfectly invariant, providing that uniform nominal shifts due to do not distort real economic opportunity frontiers. And this is graphical representation in here. The simultaneous price doubling when time t, which is equal to 2, and the baseline is in here. This is the baseline m, which is equal to 200, price 1, which is equal to 2, and price 2, which is equal to 4. 100 is the horizontal intercept, and 50 is the vertical intercept in here. And just the price doubles when price 1, which is equal to 4, and price 2, which is equal to 8. This is the price doubles shift to inward, the inward shift. And no many illusion scale all by t, which is equal to 2. This is the baseline survey and scaled in here. Just it seems like this graph. Thank you very much for watching this channel.